Our directions are to perform the indicated operation and simplify if possible. This is division. So remember, it's the first rational expression times the reciprocal of the second rational expression. Let's go ahead and when we simplify, we need to factor all of our numerators and denominators. So let's go ahead and do that as we write this as an equivalent multiplication. So this first numerator, that's the difference of two squares. It factors as x plus 3 times x minus 3. This first denominator, how do we factor the first denominator? What is the first step always in factoring a polynomial? That is to factor out a greatest common factor if there is one other than 1 or negative 1. There's a common factor there of x. So I'll factor it out and I'll have left x minus 3. Then that's times. Now remember, it's times the reciprocal, so this denominator moves to the numerator. So in the numerator, how can we factor this? Or I should ask, can we factor this? The answer is yes, there's a common factor of 2 that can be factored out, and I'm left with x plus 5. And then in the denominator, since we are taking the reciprocal, will this factor? Well, the answer is no. I'll let you work on it, but this is x squared plus 4x plus 1. And so now let's multiply. It is numerator times numerator all over denominator times denominator. X squared plus 4x plus 1. And now let's see, do we have any common factors that can be factored out? The answer is yes. We can factor this out, and I believe that's it. And so what do we have left? Well, I have a 2. I just like to put that first. It makes no difference. Times x plus 3 times x plus 5 all over x times x squared plus 4x plus 1. There's my quotient in simplest form.